Hello, welcome to my GED class. Today I'm going to show you how to calculate the area and perimeter of rhombus, parallelogram, and trapezoid. First of all, let's look at some properties of rhombus. A rhombus has all sides equal sides, opposite sides are parallel, opposite angles are equal, all angles adds up to 360 degrees, and it looks like a slanted square. If you look here, it is like compressed a little bit from the two corners. The sides, opposite sides are parallel. If you add all the angles, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D will give you 360 degrees. Now let's see some properties of parallelogram. Parallelogram looks like a slanted rectangle. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. Opposite angles are equal. Here also, if you add all the angles, it will be 360 degrees. Now we are going to do some calculations. Calculate the area and perimeter of a rhombus with side length 6 inches and height 5 inches. To calculate the area of rhombus and parallelogram, we can use the same formula, which is A equal to BH, where B is the base length and H is the height. So in this case, the length is given as 6 inches. So all sides are equal. So the base is also 6 inches. And height, remember this, always in geometry, height is from top to the base, which one makes a 90 degree. So that is height. So these slanted sides are never height. Height is from top to the base, making a 90 degree with the base. So area equal to 5 times 6 equal to 30 inches square. And to calculate the perimeter, you can go ahead and add all the sides from D to C, C to B, B to A, and A to D. All sides are 6, so 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 equal to 24. Or you can multiply 6 by 4 to get 24 inch. Now we are going to find the area and perimeter of a parallelogram. The parallelogram has one side 10 inches, the other side is 6 inches, and height is 5. So we can use the same formula, area equal to base times height. Here in this case, base is 10 inches and height is 5 inches. So we multiply 5 and 10 to get 50 inches square. Again, we can find the perimeter by using the formula, which is exactly the same formula as rectangle. 2 times length plus 2 times W. So 2 times 10 plus 2 times 6, which gives us 32 inches. But we can also go around, all the way around it and add all the sides. 10 plus 6 plus 10 plus 6 gives you 32. Now let's look at the trapezoid. A trapezoid is four-sided plane figure. It has one pair of parallel sides. So if you look at the figure carefully, you will see AB and CD are parallel sides, whereas AD and BC are not parallel. If you add all the angles, again, you will get 360 degrees. Sum of the angles on same side equal to 180 degrees. So if you add angle D and C, that will be 180. Again, if you add angle A and angle B, that will also give you 180 degrees. Formula to calculate the area of a trapezoid is half times base 1 plus base 2 times height. So in this case, base 1 and base 2 are the parallel sides, not the other sides. So you can name anyone as B1 and the other one B2. It does not matter as long as you select the parallel sides. So DC is B1 and AB is B2. Or you can say AB is B1 and DC is B2. And height is always from a corner to the base, the vertical height. To calculate the perimeter, you add all the sides. So find the area and perimeter of the trapezoid below. So here we have a figure where the base is 12 inches and the other parallel side is 8 inches and other two sides are 6 and 5 inches and height is 4 inch. So write down the formula for area first, which is half times B1 plus B2 times height. Now we are going to find out B1, B2 and height. So height is a straightforward, the 4. And as I have mentioned that the B1 and B2 are the parallel sides. So 12 is B1 and 8 is B2. So we go ahead and plug in those numbers in the formula. Half B1 is 12 and B2 is 8 and height is 4. Now we can go do the calculation. First, we have to get rid of the parentheses. So we are going to add 12 and 8, which will give us half times 20 times 4. Then we can multiply 20 and 4 to get 80 and divide 80 by 2 to get 40. So the answer is 40 inches square. To calculate the perimeter, we are going to add all the sides. So the first side is 12, then 12 plus 5 plus 8 plus 6 will give us the perimeter of the trapezoid, which is 31 inches. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.